In Schochman Aviation, we are developing an AI glass cockpit of a new generation. Most general aviation aircraft today use basic digital displays, but they remain passive. They don't assist. Our system is a fully in-house developed solution from custom hardware, software, and firmware. It's engineered from the ground up into an all-in-one intelligent platform. Based on your location, the system generates accurate ATC messages and can speak them for you in real time.
Lima Zulu Delta Victor traffic. Oscar Mike Mike 669er. After startup, taxi to the holding point runway 31.
Our system listens and understands ATC instructions in real time.
Oscar Mike Mike 669er. Stefanik Tower. Cleared to enter. Proceed to Victor. Maintain 2,000 feet. Information Whiskey. Squawk 4512. QNH 1019er.
It automatically captures key information like squawk codes, QNH settings, waypoints, and headings, and stores them for immediate use. Think of the AI as your in-flight assistant. It manages ATC and responds to your voice commands, reducing workload and boosting situational awareness.
New point Lima Zulu India Bravo.
New point Lima Zulu Papa Tango. Delete point 2.
Autopilot engaged.
Thanks to high-speed satellite internet, pilots get real-time weather, rerouting suggestions, and terrain avoidance, all of which cut fuel burn, reduce carbon emissions, and improve safety. Weather can change in an instant, and being caught off guard can put your flight at risk. Our AI Glass Cockpit delivers real-time weather updates with the ability to switch between radar, satellite, and wind layer. You're never flying blind.
Heading 330.
If you're heading out on a trip into unfamiliar territory, especially where the flying area is unknown or complex, visualize the airspace in 3 dimensions for better situational awareness. Easily identify restricted areas, corridors, and flight paths. Over 400,000 general aviation aircraft exist today. We are targeting 80,000 plus light sport aircrafts and kit planes, and our certified roadmap opens up access to 300,000 plus more. We've already gained traction with manufacturers and pilot academies. Our prototype has been flight tested. The interest is real and growing. We're ready to transform general aviation, making flying safer, smarter, and more accessible across the globe.